Dr. Andrew Huberman, a prominent neuroscientist, has raised eyebrows with his controversial claim that 8 hours of sleep may not be the best target for everyone. We are going to take you through the groundbreaking research conducted at Harvard Medical Lab and the findings by Emily Hoagland. Let's explore why Dr. Huberman believes that an 8-hour sleep might not be the optimal choice for everyone. The traditional 8-hour sleep rule has been ingrained in our culture for decades. However, Dr. Huberman's research suggests that the one-size-fits-all approach to sleep may not be the key to optimal health and performance. According to him, the quality of your sleep and your body's response to it matter far more than the duration. Dr. Huberman emphasizes the importance of positive anticipation about the next day's events. Research from Harvard Medical Lab has shown that this positive anticipation can be a powerful metric for creating high-quality sleep.
There's a study done by a colleague of mine at Stanford that showed that positive anticipation about the next day events actually is a powerful metric for creating quality sleep.
When you look forward to the day ahead, your body and mind can enter a state of restorative rest even if the duration is reduced. Emily Hoagland's study at Harvard Medical Lab demonstrated a surprising finding. Consistency of total sleep duration is often more critical for performance than the total duration itself. In other words, maintaining a regular sleep schedule, even if it's not a full 8 hours, can lead to better performance.
About the same amount of sleep is better for performance, at least on OCHEM, than just getting more. You could very well do better on 6 than on 8.
Dr. Huberman highlights the significance of sleep cycles, which typically last around 90 minutes each. Waking up at the end of a sleep cycle, even if it means getting less than 8 hours of sleep, can leave you feeling more refreshed than waking up in the middle of a cycle. This is because your performance tends to peak at the end of a cycle, making it a strategic time to wake up. How you feel during the day is a crucial parameter for evaluating the quality of your sleep. Dr. Huberman believes that personal well-being and cognitive function during waking hours should be the ultimate gauge of your sleep's effectiveness. If you feel alert, energetic, and focused, you may be getting the right amount of sleep for you, even if it's less than 8 hours. Short naps can work wonders. Dr. Huberman suggests that a 20-minute nap can be incredibly effective for resetting your energy levels without entering into REM, rapid eye movement sleep. REM sleep can leave you feeling groggy if you wake up in the middle of it, but a short nap can provide a quick mental recharge. Short naps, around 20 minutes, are highly effective for overcoming daytime fatigue and staying alert. Dr. Huberman introduces the concept of non-sleep deep rest, NSDR, which involves lying down and allowing your body to enter a state of profound relaxation without falling asleep. This NSDR can be restorative for cognitive and motor functions and can even reset levels of neuromodulators like dopamine in the brain. Contrary to the common belief of sleep debt, Dr. Huberman challenges the idea that you can accumulate a sleep debt over time. If you find yourself constantly tired during the day, it might indicate that you're not getting enough sleep at night. Falling asleep during daytime activities is a sign of inadequate nighttime sleep. Learning to relax your body and mind, even without falling asleep, can be beneficial for recharging. Removing all expressions from your face and focusing on relaxation techniques can help you achieve this state of calm. Understanding your circadian rhythms is essential for optimizing performance. Your body follows a natural cycle of alertness and sleepiness throughout the day. Dr. Huberman suggests that aligning your activities with these rhythms can lead to improved cognitive. Many people experience an afternoon energy dip, often referred to as the afternoon slump. Dr. Huberman recommends using this time strategically. A 20-minute nap during the slump can provide a quick energy boost, helping you stay focused and alert. Elevating your legs while resting can aid in lymphatic drainage. The lymphatic system acts as the brain's sewage system, helping clear out waste product. This simple technique can promote brain health and overall well-being. Non-sleep deep rest, NSDR, has the power to reset neuromodulators like dopamine in the. This process can profoundly impact motor planning and action, making it a valuable practice for optimizing brain function.
One study out of Denmark that shows that the basal ganglia, which is an area of the brain that's involved in motor planning and action, one of these 20-minute non-sleep deep rest protocols resets levels of neuromodulators like dopamine in the basal ganglia to the same levels that they were right after a long night's sleep.
Dr. Huberman highlights the subjectivity of sleep duration. While some people thrive on 6 hours of sleep, others may require more. Listening to your body and adjusting your sleep schedule to maximize your performance is crucial, debunking the myth of sleep debt. Dr. Huberman emphasizes that inadequate nighttime sleep can lead to daytime fatigue, and if you consistently feel tired during the day, it's a sign that you need more quality sleep at night. Napping can be a game changer, but timing is crucial. A 20 to 23-minute nap, excluding REM sleep, is recommended for a quick recharge. This can be especially effective when you're feeling fatigued but can't commit to a full night's rest. Dr. Huberman underscores the importance of personalized sleep strategies. What works for one person may not work for another. Experiment with different sleep durations and schedules to find what leaves you feeling your best. Melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep, is influenced by light exposure. Exposure to natural light during the day and minimizing artificial light at night can help regulate your circadian rhythms and improve sleep quality. Dr. Huberman advises caution when considering sleep aids and supplements. While they can be helpful in some cases, they should be used sparingly and under the guidance of a healthcare professional to avoid dependence. In conclusion, Dr. Andrew Huberman's research challenges the conventional wisdom of an 8-hour sleep rule. Instead, he encourages individuals to prioritize the quality of their sleep, align their activities with circadian rhythms, and personalize their sleep strategies for optimal health and performance. We hope you've gained valuable knowledge that will help you make informed decisions about your sleep habits. Sleep is a personal journey, and finding what works best for you is the key to a healthier, more productive life.